welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be potting up this pot right here that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's very cute, small. I think it's super cute for $1. So it comes in the box like this. You'll find them in the box like this if you're looking for them. And it doesn't have a hole, so I'll be drilling a hole today. I don't have anything smaller. This is the smallest one that I have, but I think it'll be just fine. Okay, so it's gonna be noisy, so I'll just take out the sound of the drill and put some music on for you guys. Oh, having water on here is good for the drill, so give me a second. Not that it'll really stay, at least. So I always start at an angle and then I start straightening it out. It's quick, and I don't apply pressure. I just let the weight of the drill do it, and there you go. And that was that. Okay, perfect little hole. Let me rinse this off and get back on here. Okay, all cleaned up. I put a little mesh down there so that the soil does not fall out. Super cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my soil. This is a super cute small arrangement. I'm not looking for growth. I am just making a cute small arrangement. They might grow out of this, and then later on in the future I can repot it if I want to. Okay. Here are some cuttings that I have rooted. This is the Kalanchoe. I'm not sure if this is the panda one, only because these are brown right here. In the panda one I've seen them darker, like more of a black color. So I'm unsure if this is the chocolate soldier or the panda. This is Murasaki. I think it's called Pentendrum, something like that, Murasaki. And then this is Campfire. So, I wasn't sure if I was going to do 4 or 4 cuttings or 3. We'll just see how it goes. I know I definitely wanted the purple in here. I can actually add more soil because none of these have big roots, so I don't have to worry about having to pull soil out. I'll just go ahead and put a decent amount of soil in there. This would be a really cute project to do with your child. Dollar Tree, I feel, has really stepped up their game, and there's a lot of things that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree to make projects with your kids and keep them entertained. So I'm going to go ahead and start with, so this is, the hedgehog obviously is going to be facing this way when I place it wherever I'm going to display it. So I want my plants to face that way, forward as well. And I'm going to use this one. has a lot of, you can see dried old roots and new roots in there. Really going for the really packed look. Switch sides. Put this one here. And then this one. I think 3 would have been good, but we're gonna go ahead and, I like odd numbers when I'm planting. I really do. I don't know if I might end up doing that. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna go with, I'm still undecided. Okay, there we go. I think I managed to fit it in there nicely. Shifting this one to the side. There we go. Yep, that's better. I really like that. So you can go ahead and leave the arrangement just as is. It's really pretty. Or you can take some rocks and decorate it. I have some rocks right here. These are really pretty colorful rocks that I found at the Dollar Tree. I wish I would have gotten more than one bag. I only got one bag. You can pick out the colors that you would like to pop in here. I like to do that sometimes if I'm trying to get like some colors to stand out. I wouldn't put green next to this one only because I want the green of the plant to stick out. And they have different types of moss. I've seen Spanish moss at the Dollar Tree and reindeer moss. There's another one, I can't recall the name, but you can easily take this and, like, you know, put it in different areas to give it that look. But I think that for this one, the rocks are better, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of these rocks. Okay guys, look at how cute that is. Let me set it up in a different angle so you guys can see it better. Here it is guys. I will definitely give this water because I had the plants sitting in my greenhouse, just letting them root. So they haven't had water for a little while, so they can have water. Look at how cute it turned out. So cute. This would make a great gift for anyone as well. So it's super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.